Oh yeah, I done got me some, y'all. Hey, I done made me $20. All my boy gotta do is shift this thing, boy. Let me look at him one more time. There's the one with them red and white shoes on. I'm finna get him. Hey, Ginger, I found me somebody to bet, fool. Go on, get him. I'm gonna get you a taco. You want a taco? All right, bet. I'm gonna get us some tacos. I'm gonna share with you. I'm gonna share with you. Oh yeah, we finna get some tacos. We get some tacos. Hey y'all, we finna get some tacos. All he gotta do is ship all the here. Oh, he over here. Wait a minute, why he doing all that? What he got? 392 tank. Hey y'all, let me ask my TikTok people, is we finna eat tacos? Hey y'all, which one side y'all going on, man? If this side win, I got me some free tacos. Where my dude at? Oh yeah, he right there with them red and white shoes. I'm finna get him. Man, he said 100. I should have popped. Hold on, wait a minute. Hold him off. Yeah! Hey! Yeah! Say, boy, Ginger be shifting them good. That's what I'm talking about. Appreciate it, man. Hell yeah. Ginger be shifting them goods, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Hey, man, my people that's on TikTok, man. Come check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, man. I'm looking for some more subscribers. I'm trying to run it up. I'm at 17th there. We trying to get to the 20. We trying to touch that 20 real quick. It's called Lookout Racing. Look out. What's up with it, man? Dang. Boy, Ginger, huh? Nah, I just made some money off Ginger. Who finna run now? Oh, that Monte Carlo? Oh, he was for real? Oh, this ZL1. Oh, snap, y'all. We got a good race coming up. We got a ZL1 coming up versus another ZL1, y'all. 2L. Damn. Yeah. See? Ah, man, these my boys, man. I think I'm gonna bet with them. They done brought a new ZL1. Who is this? What it called? Oh, which one they running? Wait a minute, y'all. Hey, Ginger did his thing, y'all. Somebody said bring that truck back around. They stuck on that truck with that 500 shot. Let me see. Bloodshot Beauty say, love this. Hey, Bloodshot, come over here to my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, man. So you can watch it in some 1080p or something. On a widescreen, put it on your TV. That's what everybody else doing. They putting it on their TV. Word at? We up here at the Yello Belly, man. Grand Prairie, Dallas, Texas. I got my TikTok back, man. Got my old TikTok back. It's bumping and jumping. We got 1,300 people watching. We got 25,000 likes. Let's get them likes up. Don't press it some more time, y'all. Power Stroke Syndicate said he watching it on his 75-inch Vizio. He got a Vizio from Walmart, working good with a warranty. What these bikes gonna do? Okay, left lane for the win, y'all. Let me see something. Okay, we got I don't know what he got right here. I got any Infinity lovers on here? Okay, Latina Kitty says she just getting in here for about 5 minutes. Hey, Latina Kitty, I'm over here on my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing, man. It's going down like James Brown, man. You can catch the widescreen, 1080p, see it in a good, got all these cars and everything. Oh, I got something to tell y'all about Apple, too. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Bump third. Oh, yeah. He bumped third real good. Let me hear fourth. Damn, he got a long third. He sure had a long third. But anyway, yeah, man. So my speaker had went out on my iPhone 12, y'all. The speaker where I can put it up to my ear so I can hear. Man, so I took it up. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on, man. Excuse me.
Cross all over both of them. Yeah, both of them. Yes, that's a cross. That's a cross. Both of them.
Red lights are lost?
Red light, no. Yeah, red light. Red light, you lose. Pay off the light.
Oh, right here. Yeah.
We got a big grudge race coming up, y'all.
201. 700. You want to count it?
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, they getting it ready, y'all. They counting. Okay.
Red light.
Yeah.
Okay. Boom. The rules are set. No crossing no lane and no red light.
Hey, tacos. What I tell you?
We got tacos, man. We got tacos. Hey, y'all, this Ginger, y'all, he did his thing. Boy, you're popping them goods. But yeah, I told y'all.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie, that guy was kind of quick.
Yeah, I seen that he pulled back up there. I seen him pull back up there. I started getting scared. Boy, that light was good. That light was good.
That was an O2. That was an O2.
Damn, boy, y'all, he cut a good light while ago, y'all. Ginger did his thing. Oh, we got free tacos. Dang, I could have had 100. 100, it ain't sound serious. I'm glad to have a little 20. Hey, y'all, we got Kevin watching from Puerto Rico, man. You know Kevin from Puerto Rico?
Yeah, Kevin from Puerto Rico, man.
Hey, Kevin, man, my boy over here, hey, Rico, Puerto Rico, all that chinga. Hey, Kevin, suscríbete a mi canal Puerto Rico and make sure you con some corn. Hey, and then make sure you